I basically went in with a list. I'm 57. I live on a lake. I want to be able to water ski. I want to be able to kneeboard. I want to be able to wakeboard. I want to be able to snow ski. I want to be able to play pickleball. And he looked at the list and said, you know, if you do an ankle replacement, you can do all of those things. I had my ankle replaced. Probably the best thing I've ever done. I played D1 sports in college, and you know, D1 sports, you get beat up a little bit. I was a lacrosse player. Tore up my ankle a little bit after college. I ran several marathons. All my cartilage just kind of disappeared. Like it was painful to walk over to my shop to work on a car, or I couldn't walk my dog anymore. It hurt all the time. I was working with my doctor, and we were talking about possibly fusing it. He said I would recommend going and talking to somebody who actually does replacements, which is how I ended up at Duke Ortho.
I thought he was a great candidate. He was at the right point in his life. He was no longer looking to run, but he wanted to be more active. He wanted to be able to walk pain-free. Fusion obviously is knitting the tibia bone to the ankle bone or the talus bone, so the ankle won't move. Replacement is going to preserve some motion.
With the replacement, you don't lose your range of motion. You lose a little bit side to side, probably 50% I would say is what I've lost, but I lost nothing up and down.
He was really comfortable by 2 to 3 months after surgery. He pays attention to the things we recommend and say, and he moved through things really smoothly.
I don't have any pain in my ankle. The ankle joint itself feels rock solid. I'm not paranoid about twisting it. I mean, it feels like my ankle. I actually got re-energized, and you know, I'm playing pickleball 3 times a week. I'm back in my shop 5 days a week, working out, lifting weights again. If you do your homework and analyze your options and what is best for your situation, and then you find the right doctor, do the right rehab, you know, your golden years can be pretty good.